Hello everyone, this is Jermer Bariwagan. If you're new to my channel, this is where I make reviews, random stuff, vlogging, something cartoon, trailers. I don't know what is the others, but this is a random channel that you're coming through. So let's get to the topic now. The Incredibles, Part 2. So Part 2 it means there's some new movie coming out in June. I don't know if it will be released in 15, but we are sure that there's a part 2 now in question. Why did they make a part 2 and what time did they start? Because it took 15 years for them to make a new Disney Channel movie for Incredibles 2. Answer? They made it long ago. The problem is The Incredibles has not low fan base but kids who didn't know if they want another part for this animation, but maybe somebody requested this petition, then maybe they wanted to make a comeback for Credibles 2 because nobody wanted it for a second. So let's talk about the trailer. The trailer shows for about 6 seconds that the Incredibles are going to train the baby. Yeah, the baby. Jack maybe his name. I'm not sure. Which everyone knows has the most powerful ability in their family, containing every element. From last time we saw him becoming devil, metal, ice, then just now we are shown that he can shoot laser, emit electronic shock, but this time we don't know. Maybe they train him or a villain is going to kidnap him again because he is one of the most powerful and one of the most youngest, meaning they can just kidnap him then raise him become a villain, because the world of the Incredibles is only few more heroes are left, and that is the family of Credman. I'm not sure if his name is Iceman. Please just comment if you think I'm wrong. So yeah, let's continue. So for the villains, the only thing we know is maybe this will be a continuation from last time when they put a villain called Drill. Just he shows his Drill. I don't know his name. So that's his name. So our main villain will not be shown until maybe about June, 2 weeks before the showing. Maybe they will show it, but we can be sure that the main villain is not the one who drills to the surface. Sorry about that. So my theory, this will be a family base, so we will see Jack become kidnapped again, or he will be the one who saved the family. Either of the two, it will be a great team for them. Because of this is a family movie, maybe Jack will be the one to be saved, or he will save them. Because if you put a trailer that puts a baby in it that has multiple powers, meaning he is the main topic of the story. So that's the end of my theory and my review. I didn't put a review, so I'm just theorizing this for now, and we have no other trailer, so let's wait for another. So I will continue giving this commentation on the trailer and trying to theorize a more substantial review for the trailer. Thank you. Goodbye.